it's Earl Grey. Oh, it's Earl Grey sugar. I want Earl Grey sugar and milk. Tea, yes, tea. It's a simple pleasure. It's a very simple pleasure. But it's a simple pleasure I need, yeah. Check, yeah, yo. It was the first of many challenges to try convince the masses that we're talented. In a world full of watermark canvases and radios that don't play songs if there's a rap in it. And fame's instantaneously given if your face is positioned where the massive population is driven. Believe what the papers have written, cause rarely does truth even make any difference, yeah. We watch edited versions of others' lives to deal with the issues that we have another time. Everything's an unpopularity contest. If you're not voted out, it's you that they want less. You can end your career in one tweet, and child counsellors don't get enough sleep. Professional footballers earn more in 1 week than one of them earns in 10 years at least. They're swept off their feet, they don't wanna know now. If they're listening or watching, they just wanna zone out. Know how? We don't even know how to find a